Hello. Let's learn some more terms. And if you're new here, it doesn't matter. Welcome. You don't have to go in order. You can do whatever video first that you want. And some videos it's usually better to know the ABCs and some numbers first. That would be helpful. I already have some basic numbers and the alphabet in other videos. I don't know how many times I've said that. But I always say that because how do I know when someone new is going to see this video? They're not in order, so you can see whichever video. I don't know when you're seeing this. Okay, so let's get started. To park, parking, parking lot, and the park. To park, you have a 3-hand shape and your non-dominant hand is like this. To park. Once. To park. And parking, you go like this. Why am I doing it more than once? Because parking is a noun, remember? So usually nouns are signed more than once, and verbs are signed once, usually. There are always exceptions to ASL grammar. Okay, the park. You just finger spell park. P-A-R-K. The park. P-A-R-K. Park. Happy. Yes, for this sign, you actually have to show that you're happy. Happy. So if you're sad, try out this sign, because maybe acting happy will help you feel happy. Okay. Oh, what a coincidence. That was not on purpose, but the next sign is okay. So you just fingerspell O and K. O and K. Okay. Okay. Expensive. You go like this and you drop it out. That's expensive. Okay. Cheap. You go like this. That's pretty cheap. First of all, as if you're listing. You have your thumb and then you go like that. First of all. For you, you go like this. For you. For you. For me. For me. For me. What for? You have to have your eyebrows have to be down and you go like this. What for? Sorry. You just keep going like that. What for? What for? Why are my eyebrows down? Because again, in ASL grammar, if you have who, what, when, where, or why, your eyebrows are down. Because, I don't know, your eyebrows are down for that kind of question. But if you have a yes or no question, your eyebrows are raised. So like, yeah. I don't want to confuse you. Okay. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, so who, what, when, where, why, your eyebrows are down. But we're not learning sentences here, we're just learning signs. After. Yeah, it might seem similar to wood, but wood is like you're cutting it. But this is after. Looking for or searching for. Looking for or searching for. I like to think of this as a magnifying glass. Looking for or searching for. Or maybe, I don't know, binoculars. To transfer data or to download. to transfer data or to download. Yeah. To be willing to photocopy. Last but not least, in return, an exchange, or to exchange. You have two X hand shapes and you go like that. Yeah. In return, in exchange, to exchange. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.